Example of the power of Logic Audio's Flex Pitch tool. I have this track on Flex Pitch, and what's really cool is you can change multiple points in the file, the pitch of the notes. So here's the sound.
I miss you like.
We could take it and just put one here and put one here and put one here, go all over the place. And we can actually, now in Logic 11, as of 11, we can change the pitch right here in the arrange very quickly, and you have a pretty decent feedback. So now it's really messed up.
I miss you.
We could go way off. And what's happening here is these notes line up with the notes of the scale here, and so it kind of gives you a hint where you're at. And we also have scale quantization, so we could change that so that it goes to a specific scale. But in this case, just for demonstration purposes, we'll move this way up here. So when we play it now, we can hear that crazy thing happening there. So another thing that's cool is that we can change many different parameters within this. You have a pitch drift, so it kind of slowly goes into the pitch. You have the gain of the actual sound, so you can accent things, because sometimes pitch shifting can make things seem like they're more quiet. You have fine pitch, which is always helpful to fine tune. You have vibrato, which is really cool. You can make it so that you can also draw these out as well, which is also very nice. That's why it's flex pitch. So the vibrato, you can actually make it extremely wobbly if you wanted to, or dial that down. You can also change the pitch drift on the end, and then they have a formant shift, which is cool. So formant is something that has to do with like the intonation of the sound, the timbre. So sometimes you can help change the synthetic quality by adjusting the formant shift.
I miss you like. I miss you.
So in this case, we're just using this tool to do a basic pitch correction. So what we would normally do is choose the scale, whatever scale it happens to be. It could be like D minor or whatever. And then we would just make sure to select that quantize so that the notes are hard quantized to the actual scale. And we can choose the degree we want to make sure that they are locked onto the scale. So those are some tidbits of the pitch correction tool within Logic Audio.